In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can create a free landing page for affiliate marketing in minutes. I'm literally going to share with you a totally free, little-known software online you can use to pump out landing pages in minutes, even if you're not technical and even if you don't have any money to invest. Now, chances are you may know that most people don't buy products right away online. They take time, they research, they need multiple exposures. So I'm going to share with you how to create a page online to collect people's email addresses and then how to follow up with them so you can dramatically increase the amount of sales and money you make so you can finally achieve the income you truly deserve. So if you're excited to learn that, my friend, be sure to smash the like button right now. And without further ado, let me go ahead and dive into the very first step. Okay, so the very first step is we need to find a product to promote with our landing page. Okay, so there's a lot of places you can go online. One of them is clickbank.com. I'm going to be using ClickBank in this video as an example. All you have to do is go to clickbank.com. If you don't have an account, you click start here, and then you just fill out these simple questions. And once you get approved, you will be able to log into your back office. Okay, it's very simple and it's actually very easy to do. Now, once you're in your back office, you want to go to the marketplace tab and you want to look at all these different categories. Now, if you don't know where to start, I highly recommend you do either the e-business, e-marketing, the health and fitness, or the self-help, and then specifically relationships. Okay, these are three big evergreen niches. So if you go into these for months and years to come, you're going to be safe, and people are always interested in solving problems in those niches. Now, I'm going to do the health and fitness niche in this video, but again, you can apply this to any specific niche you're in. Okay, I'm also going to share with you a link directly below to my #1 recommended affiliate program to promote if you want to get paid 100% instant commissions. Okay, so I'll leave that link directly below as well. But what you want to do if you're using ClickBank is sort results by gravity. Okay, this is going to share with you the best selling products at the very top of the page, and if it's selling well for other people, it's going to be able to sell well for you. So you can see this has an 808 gravity score, which is insane. So once you find a good product, you want to click this promote button and generate hop link. Okay, and then we want to keep this handy. This is our affiliate link, and this is the link that we want to send people after they go to our landing page. Okay, so once that's done, what I highly recommend is you open up this sales page. Okay, so we want to actually open it up and we want to look at what it looks like, see if there's any information on here, because we're going to use this for our landing page. So you can see that it has to do with health and fitness and helping people lose weight. So now we want to use this free software to create landing pages with a click of a button. And what you want to do is go to a website called system.io. And like I said, a lot of people, they still don't know about this website. It actually allows you to create landing pages, like I said, for free. And the cool thing is it has a built-in email autoresponder service. So you can actually collect emails and even send out automated emails following up with those people, all with one solution called system.io. So the link to this website is going to be directly below as well. All you have to do is click get my free account and then put your email address in, and you can create a free account within minutes. Now, once you're inside your back office, I'm going to share with you in a second how to create a landing page, but I want to share with you that they have this free plan and it allows you up to 2,000 contacts. So 2,000 emails you can actually collect, follow up, and convert into sales before you have to pay anything. And you see the next level is only $27 a month. Okay, so this is incredibly affordable, but like I said, it's totally free for the first 2,000 contacts, so you can make some money and then invest as you grow. Now, once you're inside, you want to go to the menu and you want to click funnels. Okay, this is going to be where we're going to create our free landing page, as you'll see in a second. Okay, so you just want to click create right here, and we want to click build an audience. Now, for the name, we want to put the name of the product. So for our example, it's 𝐸XAPURE. Okay, so we can go ahead and go here, put in 𝐸XAPURE, and then what you want to do is you want to actually go here and hit create. Okay, and that's going to create our new funnel. Now you can see there's a couple things on the side. There's the squeeze page. This is the first page. This is what we're going to send people. You never really want to send people directly to affiliate link or affiliate offer. You want to send them to a squeeze page, a landing page, collect their email, and then send them so you can follow up. And then they have the thank you page. I'm going to get to that a little bit later in this video. So for the squeeze page, you can really choose any one of these templates. Okay, they have tons of different beautiful templates you can choose from. I like to choose just a very basic one. Okay, a lot of people, they have all these links I find the highest conversion rates on my landing pages when I just have one goal, one link, one objective, which is collect the person's email address, okay? So I like this one right here. So I'm gonna hit select. This one is very basic, very simple. Now you can go ahead and click this little icon here to edit the landing page. Now what we wanna do is we wanna make the landing page very congruent to the product. One of the biggest things that's gonna prevent you from not making as many sales as you could is having a landing page say one thing and then they redirect to the sales page and it's completely incongruent. You want it to be the same, okay? So you can see the bare minimum is going to be this headline here, an email box, and then a button to submit the email. Now, I like to remove the name. A lot of people think if they collect someone's name and they follow up their emails using the person's name, it's going to increase conversions. I've actually found it doesn't really matter at all, and it actually just lowers your conversion rate because you're having people jump through more hoops. The less things you get people to do, the more leads you're going to be able to generate, okay? So that's looking pretty darn good already. Now, for this headline, what you want to really do is go back to the product you're promoting and you want to open up this sales page, okay? Because we want to get some ideas from the sales page, see if it has a headline on there, and just kind of understand what it's about so we can be very congruent, okay? So you can see it says scientists discover the real root cause of your belly fat, and it says, not diet or exercise. So I can literally, use that headline on my capture page, okay? So scientists discover the real root cause of your belly fat. So I can go here and I can say something like, shocking. Doctors discover real cause of your belly fat. And, that's starting to look really good. So we want to build curiosity. One of the biggest things you can do well with headlines is making them very curiosity building, okay? Because the thing that's going to get people to put their email in is they want to find out what's on the other side of the page. What's that information? So this is very, very compelling. Shocking. Doctors discover real cause of your belly fat. Or you could say, shocking. Discover how to get back with your ex-lover, tonight, right? So discover this one secret to discover, and you can go to Google, by the way, and you can actually type in, headlines for capture pages, and, they'll give you like templates, okay, the 30 best landing page examples to steal and profit from. So you can get ideas from other articles as well, but that's looking pretty good. And then right here, you can say, enter your email to discover this secret now. And you can actually make that bigger, okay, by going to the left side and adjusting the, the size right there by dragging it. It's very drag and drop with system.io, okay, which is why a lot of people like it. You can go ahead and, save that as a block if you want to use it in the future, but we're just going to keep it like that, okay? So it says shocking, enter your email to discover the secret now, email, and then this button, okay, so that's not a video. As you can see right here, it's more of a, like an article. So we don't want to have that. We want to edit the text here. Okay, so what you can do is click that button and you just want to go down and then right here, we want to send me the secret info now, okay? And again, you can literally just model exactly what I'm doing, even in the same niche. That's totally fine with me. Background color of the button, a good red would probably look good on this page. And again, there's no real hard and fast rules. Play around, see what you kind of resonate with. And, you can also test, okay? You can test different colors and different things like that as you grow and see what works better. But that's looking pretty darn good. The only other thing I may change about this is this background image, okay? So this is, having to do with mountains, which really isn't relevant to, health and fitness. So what I can do is I can click this little cog right there. I can go down and you can see right here, this is the image, okay, that's currently there. I want to change that. So what I can do is I can go to a website called 𝐏𝐶𝐨𝐻.com, okay? 𝐏𝐶𝐨𝐻.com. All the links are going to be directly below. And I can type in a few words that have to do with the niche or product I'm in. So I can do, health and fitness because that's the product that I'm promoting. And I just want to find an image that has to do with, health and fitness or belly fat or something like that. There's a lot of different images you can choose from. I will do, just for the sake of this video, I am going to do this one, okay? Because I think that looks pretty good. Someone working out. And I'm going to click free download, okay? These photos are free to use. You can use them on your landing pages. We want to go back here. We want to actually click this and upload that photo to this landing page. So let me do that right now. Okay, now once it's uploaded, we just click insert and you can see it right there, okay? It's in the back and that's looking pretty darn good, okay? Shocking. etc., etc. And that's it as far as the landing page, okay? You've just created your first free landing page. You should be excited, be proud of yourself. Most people don't even do that. Then we just want to hit save changes. Okay, so we save this page, and now you can click this little icon here to exit and get taken back to this page here. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to create a thank you page. So once someone goes to that page, they put their email address in, we need to create a page that redirects them to a thank you page. Now, there's a lot of different templates. Again, I like to keep it just very simple. Okay, so I mean, if we scroll down, you know, even this one right here looks pretty good. So I can select that one, and then we want to edit, okay? And we want to just make it very simple. You know, basically the goal of the thank you page is to thank people and then give them what you promised them, okay? So you can say, you know, thanks, or I like to say, you know, congrats on accessing this powerful info, okay? And then you can say, you know, click the button below to learn this secret. Okay, and I can make this bigger, you know, like that. I can do line height if I want to put a, you know, space in between the text so it's not, you know, crunched together. I can delete these by clicking the trash can icon. If you want to have social media things to try to get people to follow you, you can do that. And then we want to insert a button, okay? So we can scroll down and we want to do button. So I can do it right under there. And then I can just go ahead and edit the text by clicking on the button. Click here to discover this info. And for the subtext, you can just, you know, erase that. We don't need that. And then we want to actually link now to our affiliate link. Okay, so it says action when button clicked. We want to do open URL. Okay, and for the URL, we want to go back to our affiliate link. We want to copy that, put it in there, and then we want to save changes. And that's it. Okay, you've literally created a funnel. Now I can delete this stuff at the top. Okay, like I said, we don't really want any of this other stuff. I can save again, and that's it, right? I can go back here, and then what you want to do is you want to go to the squeeze page. You want to actually open this up, okay, to view it. And then at the very top of the page, we want to copy that. That's our landing page, okay? We've literally created a free landing page. Now, if you're liking this, be sure to smash the like button because that helps more people view this video and we can help a lot more people see this and start to collect leads and make more sales, okay? Now, I want to share with you what this is going to be like. So let's say we get someone here using one of the methods of traffic, whether it's free or a paid method to get people here. I have a lot of training on my YouTube channel on how to actually get people to a landing page. You want to go back through those videos. Now, once someone's here, they put in their email like that, okay? They click this button and you see it automatically will redirect to the thank you page. They'll click this button, okay? And then it will automatically redirect them to our high converting affiliate offer. Now, the last thing before you get going, I want to share is that you actually can create automatic emails that start following up with people. So you can see if I go to leads, you can see that right there, it was successfully collected, okay, that person's email address. But what you can do is go to menu and you can actually go to emails. And I can do campaigns and I can go ahead and create an email campaign. And once I go through the process, I can actually pre-write emails that will go out one day at a time, following up with all the people, all those leads that have put their email address in on my free landing page. Well, there we have it, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to create a free landing page for affiliate marketing. All the links are going to be directly below in the description, including my #1 recommended affiliate program that you can actually start promoting with this strategy to start to earn 100% instant commissions. If you like this video, you never want to miss out on my latest videos, smash the subscribe button and that bell icon. I'm going to be posting weekly videos just like this. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching and I will see you on my next training.